Hey and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you my Ultimate Finance Tracker Notion system, which you can get at Grizzly Templates Marketplace. I will leave the link to the system in the comments. So the Ultimate Finance Tracker has different sections designed to help you better manage your money. It has accounts, budgets, income categories, expenses, transfers, subscriptions, and also the reporting. So let's walk through each section one by one. Inside the accounts, you can track all your accounts. So for example, this main account, for the personal use, you can add the starting balance to this account, and then the current balance will be computed based on the starting balance, and also income, expenses, transfers done to and from this account. And as you can see inside this account, you can view all your income, expenses, and transfers and subscriptions which are related to this account. And also inside the accounts, you can add saving goals, because technically the saving goal is similar to an account. And to make an account as a saving goal, you just add the target date and target amount, and then the progress will be computed based on the starting balance, target amount, and also the transfers done to and from this account. Then the Ultimate Finance Tracker has these budgets. For budgeting, you just create the budget categories, specify the monthly budget, and spend this month, remaining for the months, and the progress are computed automatically based on the expenses which are done this month. So when you add a new expense, you add the date and select the budget category, and then the formula behind the spend this month, remaining for the months, and progress will compute these values. So it will help you better understand if you stay within the budget or not in the given category. Then inside the income section, you can track all your income by month, by category, and also all income. And here you can see the summary, and also you can see these income categories. You can categorize your income and view total income and income for this month. And also here inside you have the table with all the entries in this given category. Inside the expenses, you can track all your expenses, so just all expenses here which are sorted by the date, and also expenses for this current month. We are now in November. And as I said, you add the budget category to the expense, and then you will see if you stay within the budget for this month in this given category or not. Inside the transfers, you can transfer money between the accounts. So you just add the transfer date, description, transfer amount, and select from which account you want to make a transfer and to which account you want to make the transfer. And for example, in this case, we transfer money from our main account to our car savings account. And then the Ultimate Finance Tracker also has the subscription tracker, so you can track all your active and inactive subscriptions, categorize them, select the cost, view the monthly and yearly cost, and also track the next payment. And the next payment is computed automatically based on the start date and the billing period. So for example, if we change here from monthly to, let's say, weekly, we can see how the monthly cost changes, yearly cost changes, and also the next payment date changes. And today is the 3rd of November. So we can return back to this monthly. And also note that the subscriptions are not counted inside the expenses. I have added here this example template. For example, if you want to make a recurrent expense, let's say Netflix, you can edit this template, select the account, amount, budget category. And then to make it recurrent, you just set this repeat to, let's say, monthly, and you select the start date when it should start repeating itself. And then this recurrent expense will be added inside the expenses and also in the summary and in the account statistics. And then here we have the summary section where you can track all your expenses on a monthly, weekly, and yearly basis, as well as you can track your income monthly, weekly, yearly, and you see this summary here. So for example, income for this year or expenses for this year. So yeah, this is my Ultimate Finance Tracker Notion system, and I hope you liked it. And if you liked it, I will leave the link to the system in the comments. So thank you for watching this video.